Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel enriching knowledge. I am going to show you the correct solution regarding the JRE error when you try with the database. Okay, first of all, see the error. Okay, when I start database, then click on next. It doesn't matter you want to register or not. I will just click on finish button directly. You have to create a database. First of all, you have to type the name, but I have already typed the same name. That's why I will override this. Click on yes button now and see whenever you start database, the same error will occur. Now, most of the people will suggest you to go to tools menu, then click on options, and then just go to Java and just uncheck this. That is not the correct solution, my friend. I am going to give you the correct solution. Let's see what you have to do. I am just closing this open office, and I will just open because I have already, yes, see, this file you have to download this file. This file must have to be properly searched. Look at the name because this file is compatible with Windows 7 as well as Windows 10 and the latest updated version of OpenOffice and LibreOffice 2. See the file, it's just 28 MB file. I have just downloaded this file, and now I am going to install this file in front of you. Right click here, run as an administrator, and yes, click on S button. Now the file will install. Just click on install button. It will take few seconds to install. Okay. After installation, the file will be automatically searched by OpenOffice. See, most of the people will tell you to do the setting regarding this JRE file in OpenOffice. Now, see, I am just opening OpenOffice in front of you. Now go to Tools menu and click on Options button. Now click on Java and see, whenever you start, it will automatically take this. It will automatically call this. It will automatically uh, mm, patch up with this, or you can say cooperate with this. So need not to select, or need not to click on add, or set parameters, or need not to set a path. Okay, so just open and you can see already the JRE will be what you can say uh, connected with OpenOffice. So just click on OK button now, and I am starting with the database. Now, one thing is again, I must have to tell you, because most of the people will show you while running only creation of table. Okay, see, create table. This will be available when you just uncheck this Java in the options. Okay, when you uncheck this table creation is also enables, but wizard never becomes enable until and unless you never install JRE. So now see, when I click on use wizard to create a table, wizard is properly running. So the error is completely gone now, and GR is properly installed for the proper functioning of database. If you have any query, please feel free to ask me. If you like this video, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe, and press bell button. Thanks for watching.